And now I would like to invite to the floor a team from Turkey. SEBAHAT AÇIKSOZ, NILGÜL KARADENIZ, SULE KISAKÜREK, and that's all, I think. Three of you. Thank you very much. And you will present us a presentation under the title A Century-Long Story of the Loss of a Cultural Landscape Heritage Atatürk Forest Farm, Ankara.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I use this one.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, thank you very much. I would like to thank all of you for organizing this really very important organization and conference. We are really very happy to be here. My name is NILGÜL KARADENIZ, the second line, and my colleague SEBAHAT AÇIKSOZ, she's here, and also the other colleague is SULE KISAKÜREK, also she's here. We are from Turkey, and from different universities, different cities. So it means really very different culture, and even for my country, very different culture. But our share point is to work on Atatürk Orman Çiftliği, and I will use it AOÇ is a short term. And especially Professor SEBAHAT AÇIKSOZ, she's working on Atatürk Orman Çiftliği for a long time, but because three of us graduated from Ankara University, we all know Atatürk Orman Çiftliği's importance, and now we are losing it, and it's quite important cultural heritage. So we would like to express our responsibility for this really very big, huge idea. So yeah, I'm starting. Especially, as I told you, this is a cultural landscape heritage, and it has really very big value. I will try to explain this, why it is really very important, and little bit I will try to describe and evaluate planning history of Atatürk Orman Çiftliği, and just try to show, to delineate how its heritage values has been destroyed until today and still going on, and also just if I have time, I will try to express our ideas about restoration or revitalization. This is the philosophy of Atatürk Orman Çiftliği, and you see Mustafa Kemal Atatürk. He is the, how can I say, he's a great guy, and he established the country after a really very tough times, because there was an Ottoman Empire and he was demolishing, and so he and his friends, his colleagues, saw the reality. It was necessary to create another country, and also to have really very productive entities. So he just thought to design a holistic system where various agricultural products are obtained, processed, and delivered to public, because after the really very big war experiences, there was nothing in the area, in the country. So that's why the agricultural production, it was quite important. And then the other point related with the philosophy, to establish an example, set an example for agricultural work. And then they establish this Atatürk Orman Çiftliği in 1925, just after establishing the new republic. And then not only the agricultural facilities, but also the education, employment, and recreational opportunities were really very big steps for the çiftlik, Atatürk Orman Çiftliği. Now this is the location of Atatürk Orman Çiftliği. You see Turkey, and then red one on the left part is Ankara, capital city of Turkey, and then the small yellow circle is just showing the nearly Atatürk Orman Çiftliği's location, but in the bigger picture, just you can see Atatürk Orman Çiftliği still is in the center of the Ankara metropolitan city. So it's quite important, because it was really very green area, and now we are talking about the green infrastructure. Actually, 100 years ago, just he thought about this green's importance, and then they established really very big area. You see the city center and also the original boundary of Atatürk Orman Çiftliği. It's huge area. It was huge area, and then all are related with agricultural productivity, recreation, and education, especially agricultural education, and just applying innovative ideas in the area. Yeah, this poverty just starting point of the idea of Atatürk Orman Çiftliği, because just I told you there was really very big war and there was nothing, and so the result of this, of course, poverty. And then they thought it's necessary to make another one and very happy things, and then making people happy. So that's why just they thought about the food security. It's the first point. And then related with this food security, just production and processing and also marketing all of these products. But regarding with this, R&D and education also just improved, and also recreational facilities just they were recreational facilities. This is the first pictures from Atatürk Orman Çiftliği. Just it was established as 20,000 hectares in 1925. All area was the property of Mustafa Kemal Atatürk, and then in 1937, just before he passed away, it was large and nearly 50,000 hectares. You can see here some pictures from the original time of Atatürk Orman Çiftliği. Just there were a kind of model example for the nation, whole nation, and it was include plant production, animal production, innovative phase, of course, and also related with the agriculture. There were modern educational structures. You can see here some ideas and also some activities related with the urban farm production and R&D. Especially you can see here land reclamation and regulation. It was quite important, and also there was an idea for cooperatives, because that time there was nothing related with the work together, especially with the farmers, but here just we started to make cooperations. Afforestation also, it was quite important because Ankara and the middle part of the country is a steppe ecosystem. So it is not like here. The tree is very valuable, and bare areas are really very much. So also the place just Atatürk Orman Çiftliği was established on also was a steppe ecosystem, and there was a river, a small river, and related with this river there was a marshy area. And then at that time they thought, when they were establishing Avcı, they thought it was necessary afforestation area, because bozkır, we say in Turkish bozkır for steppe area, just gives sadness because it's brown. But afforested areas also is green, just gives really very big happiness. And also vineyards, different kind of farms, and representing offices into the different part of country. Just And these are the factories coming from past, original factories. The first picture just is a wine factory. Now it's of course closed, and it looks like a museum. And yeah, we produce grape, but don't wine. Different politic. This is recreational part, original part. You can see these pictures, two big ponds for swimming. That time it was possible, of course, and recreational part. And today, Because of the urban infrastructures such as highways, railways, water, sewer, natural gas, energy transmission lines, just Atatürk land has been fragmented, of course. It's being used as an urban reserve for various scale construction projects by the public and private sectors, and it has become a parcel on which central and local governments have granted permission for construction. You can see here the presidential palace. Actually, after I was studying landscape architecture in the Faculty of Agriculture, just for my internship, just I went. There was a big building here for National Park Service, and there was a really very big forest here, and yeah, I just made my internship over there. But then in one night, just they cut all of the trees and then just started to build presidential palace, and it looks like this one, but it was AOC land. There are also different pictures from the original site, but it changed that way. There are many pictures, and just a few examples we are able to show you now. But if you are interested in this issue, just you can ask especially Professor Açıksöz. And you can see here just this big picture. It's a parking area, recreation area. But in the beginning, just you can see it's a agricultural field. But then it's just transformed like this. And the previous mayor of Ankara municipality, just he decided to here fantastic recreational area. It's called Anka Park, but now nobody can use this because it's far from the center. There is no any line, metro or something. Now this mayor, to the actual mayor, he and his team, they are thinking to make something new just to use this area. This red line shows original boundary, and then just we are losing different parts, and then now we have this one, and it has been explained by Özdemir and Varol. Just we lost nearly 58% of original Atatürk area. Green area just shows us current status. And then a few words of what we are doing or what we are trying to do. Now, Ankara Metropolitan Municipality just started to prepare 2050 a spatial plan for all metropolitan area. And of course, there are many stakeholders, coming from different planning and design disciplines. Now we are discussing at the large scale protection of natural and ecological values and focusing on connectivity all green areas. This is the main idea of the plan. But at the Atatürk scale planning approach, just I hope it will be possible to create spatial and strategic decisions and policies that will ensure local development and food security while preserving the integrity of at least current lands of Atatürk and to revitalize degraded green space and restoring the connectivity. And final word, thus, in line with the founding philosophy, a unique cultural landscape heritage for the entire metropolitan city will be visible and sustainable. Yeah, thank you. Yeah.